Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Pydantic for validating ML input data. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by introducing Pydantic as a data validation library for Python. Highlight its importance in ensuring that machine learning input data is valid and correctly formatted. First, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Open your command line interface. Check your Python version by typing Python version or Python 3 version. Next, install Pydantic using pip. Type pip install Pydantic and hit enter. Once the installation is complete, create a new Python file for this tutorial. You can name it ml_input_validation.py. Open this file in your favorite code editor. Now, import Pydantic from the library by adding from Pydantic import basemodel. Create a class that inherits from basemodel. This class will define the schema for your input data. For example, you might want to create a class called input data. Inside this class, declare the expected fields. Let's say you want fields like age, height, and weight. Specify the data types for each field. For example, age can be an integer, height a float, and weight another float. Define your input fields as follows: Python class input data, base model age, int height, a float weight, float. Now, let's create an instance of this class. Initialize the class with valid data to see if everything works. If you want to include validation, attempt to create an instance with invalid data. For example, set age to a string instead of an integer. Pydantic should raise a validation error. Catch this error using a try except block. Print out the error message to understand what went wrong. Next, let's validate real-world data. You can simulate this by getting user input or loading data from a file. If using user input, prompt the user for their age, height, and weight. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.